Just a quick review of the Veneers unboxing up. Starting off with a piece of mild figured cherry, followed by a small bundle of Claro walnut sheets. Gorgeous figure with that. There's a small bundle of bird's eye maple. Very nicely, very nice underlying quilt pattern with that. Evenly spaced eyes. This is some really high-end bird's eye maple. I wish I had more of it to offer. Followed by curly maple. And here's a good color combination. This is not one lot, but Purple Heart, Padauk, and Ash Burl. Nice colors with that. Followed by a small bundle of ebony. And 3 different types of Atimue. Do yourself a favor, get some Atimue. It is an excellent wood to work with if you're a first-time veneer user. This one here is fumed. It's barely, it almost looks like it's spalted, but that's its normal figure with that, but the color's off. This is the actual normal color of Atimue, this nice brown, mid-brown color. This here's a Pecky Atimue. Again, another nice wood to work with, and then some gorgeous high curl figured Atimue. You can find all these veneers and more on my eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools, my Etsy shop, Volpe Woodworks, my website. Well, it's down right now. It's not really working, but I'll get that open here shortly. And then on Amazon, as a seller, Volpe Woodworks. If you like the content of this video, please check out my other videos on my YouTube channel, Volpe Woodworks. I have a few project videos, and I got a new one probably going to come out here by the end of the year, another box making project. If you like the content, please hit the like button, consider subscribing. If you like some assistance in selecting a veneer for an upcoming project of yours, I'd be happy to assist you or advise on using veneers. Just reach out to me by email at tom@volpewoodworks.com.